You thought?
Got a mini freezer.
Okay. And then how? How to open that mini freezer? Okay. You got 2 doors. Okay. And what inside?
Veggies.
Veggies.
Put out.
Yan.
And another veggies.
And another veggies. Ayusin mo ng pag-chop. Bok choy. Ano na? Chop-chop mo yung ano. Meron daw siyang chopping board. Can you tell us what you got?
Kitchen.
What's that? What's that? Cooking
Cooking.
oil.
Oil.
Sabi. They bought it for me. And what you got inside the fridge? It's not a kitchen, it's a fridge.
Kitchen.
Sabi mo, free ano yan? Ref. What you got? Can I see?
Shit. I'm still pulling out this. Help me pull it out. Help me pull it out, Tita.
Hawakan ko. Pull.
Pull.
Yan.
I almost fell. I almost
Pull.
fell.
Ay! And what you got here? Some spatula for cooking.
And I got oil at the crab.
And what? You got a new, what is that?
Toy.
New fridge.
New fridge.
It's a new fridge. I got my mini freezer.
I got my mini freezer. I can already close the freezer.